Given its versatility and strong security, it should be no surprise that developers favor the Ethereum network as one of the most prominent blockchains. Sadly, because of its scalability issues, numerous initiatives seek to develop a Layer 2 solution that addresses this issue. Mantle Network is one of the most recent initiatives, with modular architecture guaranteeing both top-notch security and hyper-scalability. So, let's start with what is Mantle Network. Mantle Network, which was first conceptualized and put forth in June 2022, is the first modular Ethereum Layer 2 solution, reshaping how different parts of a blockchain can collaborate more effectively, including data availability, better performance, security, and more. Its modular architecture combines an enhanced data availability solution with optimistic rollups. Both state storage and computation are off-chain, with transactions handled in batches. In the end, this enables a reduced computation load to be transmitted on the Ethereum mainnet, increasing the throughput of the Mantle network at a reduced expense. Mantle Rebrand. Mantle announced plans to rebrand in May 2023 and put out a proposal for the BitDAO community to vote on. Later, the proposal was approved because the community supported Mantle's plan to combine both identities under a single token, MNT. BitDAO will now be referred to as Mantle Governance, and the Layer 2 will be called the Mantle Network. Okay, now let's present what does Mantle Network aim to achieve. Mantle Network was created to enable the Ethereum network to scale in a hyper level. It does this by utilizing roll-up technology and a decentralized data availability layer to boost performance and efficiency while cutting down on latency and fees. This also means that Mantle Network provides top-level security, all bundled in a developer and user-friendly EVM environment. Finally, let's describe how exactly does Mantle Network work. Modular blockchain rollups. The execution, consensus, settlement, and data availability functions of the Mantle Network are carried out on specialized layers. Consequently, Mantle Network experiences a notable decrease in gas expenses and an enhancement in efficiency. With utilization of a modular rollup model, it resolves a major problem facing the community, the blockchain trilemma related to scalability, security, and decentralization. Data availability. In order to enable nodes to provide data availability services on Mantle Network, EigenLayer's data availability solution is used. The consensus layer and the data availability layer are kept apart by EigenDA. In addition, it maintains block data pieces from both Layer 2 and Layer 1 sources, so it can be used to reconstruct entire blocks. This is achieved by implementing a unicast channel for data exchange between network participants, improving efficiency in data transmission. Fraud proofs. Rollups in the optimistic model assume that members of their network behave well. Thus, to improve the network's integrity, fraud proofs must be implemented correctly. That's why Mantle Network adopts a strategy that uses EVM instructions to directly implement the compilation and verification of fraud proofs, allowing open communication between all Ethereum clients and a single proof system. As a result, the trust presumptions are reduced. Transaction lifecycle. The moment a transfer is initiated, a transaction first appears in the Mantle Network. Signed request is created and sent to Mantle Network for sequencer processing, thanks to integration with the Mantle SDK. After that, the transaction is confirmed and put into a pending block before being submitted to Ethereum to be completed. The block data is then verified by threshold signature scheme nodes before being sent via sequencer to the Ethereum network, where it is received by the Ethereum and Mantle Network actors. On Ethereum, transmitted data is recorded on-chain following its consensus process, whereas rollup verifiers on Mantle Network synchronize the data to make it available for anybody. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.